Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make the newest way to eat sushi similar to onigirazu. This came from the folding tortilla hack that went viral on TikTok. To get started, cook half a cup of sushi rice. While the rice is cooking, we'll prepare everything else. For the tuna version, add a can of drained tuna to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of mayo. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Set this aside for later. Now thinly slice 12 pieces of cucumber. For the Spam and egg version, first open your can of Spam, take it out and cut into 4 pieces. Add a little oil to a pan over medium heat. Fry the Spam on both sides until golden brown. Take the Spam off the heat and add half a tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the pan. Add the Spam back onto the pan and cook on both sides until the sauce has thickened and evaporated. Now crack 2 eggs separately. Add a little salt and pepper and whisk until combined. Then fry 1 egg at a time. When the rice has finished cooking, while it's still warm, add half a tablespoon of rice vinegar and half a teaspoon of sugar. Gently stir until combined. Put the rice on a plate and set aside to cool. We want all the rice, Spam, and egg to be at room temperature. To assemble, get a nori sheet and cut a slit vertically halfway through the sheet. Place a 1/4 cup of rice on the bottom right corner and spread it thinly. You can wet your fingers to make it easier. Add a little rice seasoning on top if you have any. In the bottom left quadrant, add the tuna salad. Add a piece of leaf lettuce on the above quadrant and the sliced cucumber on the top right quadrant. Fold the tuna over the lettuce, over the cucumber, then over the rice. Press down lightly after each fold. For the Spam and egg version, do the same with the rice and add 2 pieces of Spam on the bottom left, the leaf lettuce on the above quadrant, and the egg on the top right quadrant. Fold the same way as before. And that's it! Eat them as is or cut them in half. This dish is great because you can add any ingredients you want aside from the rice. Whatever you like in sushi rolls, you can make it into this sandwich. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!